Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow camera access on CapCut. If you have disabled the camera access on CapCut and you don't know how to allow it, I'm going to show you an easy way to allow camera access on CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Now it's a very simple process. To allow the camera access on CapCut, simply long press on CapCut app and click on this icon here, and now you can see app permissions. Click on it, and here you can see the camera option. Click on it, and now choose your preferred option, and that's it. That's how you can allow camera access on CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.